be quitting this YouTube channel because it's for my father. And even though I have 36 subscribers, I have to make a new channel on this setup. Tell me what you think about it. In 3, 2, 1. We got this that used to be in the study room. This, the computer. My father bought it today. Bought it for playing. Headphones, keyboard, bought them today. Mouse, bought it today. The thing that holds the mouse, where I eat and where I put my phone. And MacBook Pro. It used to be for my father, but he gave it to me. And this YouTube channel is gonna be for gaming. I'll keep you guys updated if I'm done with the channel. My father is gonna do it for me, and I think he said tomorrow. But make sure to like and subscribe.